I'm back for another video. So I want to first say thanks for all the support that you guys have given me for launching the Beauty Cafe, and to keep the momentum going, I want to start this new series. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but just a new series on how to maintain your hair at home. As you guys are aware or may be aware that the governor of Virginia has shut down all beauty salons, barbershops, and any type of personal care service to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Coronavirus!
So in the meantime, while we're all at home, I wanted to give you guys just some practical tips on how to take care of your hair so that you don't walk around looking so raggedy, even though you're still going to be at home. And the series is going to be called Sundays at the Cafe. So it'll be a play on the Beauty Cafe. I'll be, of course, using my own products from the Beauty Cafe along with some other things, and just try to give you guys some styles. So if you have ideas of the different type of styles that you would like to see or the things that you may be struggling with, then please leave it in the comments or inbox me, DM me, whatever, and I'll try to incorporate it into this series. So for week 1, we're going to start off, as you can see, my hair is just in a puff. This is like my go-to style when I'm just chilling at home. And so I've been looking like this all week. Well, really for like the past 2 weeks. So I think we're going to do some type of like pin-up bun type of style. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll add like a braid or something into it. First, I'm going to take my water bottle and just kind of mist my hair. It is still moisturized from when I did my initial shampoo routine with all of my products, but it's tangled up. I haven't detangled it or combed through it since I did my twist out that you saw in my launch video. So what I'm going to do is just take this water to help me kind of manipulate my hair, maneuver through it with a little bit more ease. So I'm not soaking it. I just, like I said, want to mist it to kind of loosen it up. A section going diagonally across the front. So I just got a little section like that that's parted diagonally. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit more water, and I'm just going to mist it, and then I'm going to take my cookie butter hair moisturizer from the Beauty Cafe and just put a small amount in it because I want to comb through it. And just a tip for natural hair: do not comb through and try to detangle your hair when it's dry. Wait till it's damp or wet, or I prefer to do it once when I have conditioner in it. But since I'm not shampooing it, I'm going to put a little moisturizer in it, and then I'll comb through it. Alright, so we got that braid, that cornrow, or flat twist if you did a flat twist. So I'm gonna do is do 2 skinny braids on each side of this big cornrow. So I'm gonna do one right here and one right here. Just make them really thin and skinny. Alright, so I did my little braids. See? 1, 2, and 3. So then I'm just gonna take my water, and so from here you can do a couple of different styles. It's up to you, however you want to wear your bun. If you want to roll puff, a bun, or whatever. So we'll do about 3 styles just to show you some options. My favorite combo, my cookie butter hair moisturizer and my cocoa mint moisture butter. Mix those 2 together and just put it all over my hair, focusing on my ends. So you guys, I'm gonna take my Eco. I still love my Eco to slick most of my hair back. I only use the edge control just for my edges. But yeah, I still use my Eco to slick if I want to do like a really sleek bun or ponytail. My puff is just not tight enough, so I'm gonna redo it and make it a little tighter. So if I wanted to, I could just fluff my puff up and wear it like this, but I'm not going to. I'm actually going to put it in a bun, but I'm gonna tie my edges down first. So I got my favorite scarf. And I'm just gonna set my edges. I'll be back in a second. All right, so I finished setting my hair, my edges. So if I wanted to, I can leave it like this and just shape my puff. So this is style number 1, and then we're gonna add a couple of little cuffs to it. So this is just like a little sidebar. My cuffs, sometimes I get the cuffs that are just too big for my braids, so what I do is I just cut it in half. So next, I'm going to pin my puff into like a little cinnamon bun. And if your hair is long enough, then you can do this. If not, then style number 3 will be with an added piece to make it look full. So I think I've done a tutorial on the cinnamon bun before, but all I'm really gonna do is just take pieces of my hair and roll it around my finger like a barrel curl and then pin it. So I'll be using open bobby pins. If you want to add some extra moisture to your hair, at this step you can spray your ends with a little bit of water and add some butter or moisturizer, whatever you want to add to give it that added moisture. This will make it a protective style because your ends will be completely covered up. Here's the base of the bun. But you see how I have like just little pieces hanging out, so I'm gonna tuck those little pieces, and I'm also gonna shape it and give it a little bit more lift because I like it to sit up a little bit higher like that. So I'm just gonna take some bobby pins, pin it, pin and lift. And so the good thing with this style is that you can give yourself extra height and volume up here by just pulling, loosening up the top part. And also when you wrap, you don't have to wrap the pieces when you get ready to wrap it and tuck it. You don't have to do them tight. The looser you do it, then the thicker your puff, your bun will be. That was style number 2. So style number 3 is for those clients that don't have the length to be able to get this type of puff without using added hair. So I have a solution for you. I'm not gonna take this puff out, but usually I would have just done a tighter ponytail with like a ponytail holder. So I get it nice and tight, and then I'm gonna just, you know, put it into 2, braid it down into like 2 balls, or just make 1 ball on top of your head. And then I'm going to take my little crochet needle, and I found some hair. You can use whatever hair you want to use, curly hair, twisted hair, whatever, right? It was some type of, I think, Havana twist or something. So I'm going to put these, just latch these in on top of my puff. And you don't have to be like a professional to know how to learn how to do this. So all you're going to do is take your crochet needle, open the hook, take a piece of hair. See, this already has a loop. And we're going to take the open hook and slide it down into the section that we want to hook this hair, right? Hook the hair onto it, close the loop, pull it back through. There you go. what it should kind of look like once you're done. I didn't have a whole lot of hair, so I'm just gonna work with what I have, but if you want, you can make yours a whole lot fuller or thicker. So I'm gonna just take these loose, like take the twist out. So once again, I'm just gonna take open bobby pins and just pin it and shape it to my type of style. So that is pretty much it. Like I said, just shape this bun how you want it to look. If I had more hair, then I definitely could have did something bigger, but I don't. So gotta work what we have during this quarantine. So that is it.